Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to disable and delete a Chrome extension. Chrome extensions are very important. We use them a lot in our daily work. Sometimes we have to disable them and sometimes we don't need them. So this is how we're going to do that. So you have to click here on the extensions and then click on the manage extension. Here you will be able to see the extensions you have. So let's say you don't want an extension anymore, or you just want to pause it, to disable it. So we'll do this one. We will disable the Grammarly plugin. Okay, we'll just click here and it is disabled. It's not uh, active anymore. So after that, you can, if you want to enable it again, can click it here and it is enabled again. Okay. So the next thing is maybe you don't want to keep it anymore, you want to remove it. You just have to click remove and then click remove again here. So it's removed. So this is how you remove your Chrome extensions. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.